Hi guys, welcome you all for the PM lecture. This is Raj Kamal. So today we are going to see a topic called projection of planes. In projection of planes, now we're going to discuss the type 3 problem. Let us read the question. A 30-degree and 60-degree set square of long side long is in VP and its surface 45-degree inclined to HP. One end of the long side is 10 mm and other end is 35 mm above HP. Draw its projection. This is the question given for us. So first we can write the given data. Here the polygon is set square and surface inclination is given 45-degree inclined to VP and the dimension is 30 degree, 60 degree and longest side is 100 mm. And here the edge inclination is not given, so there is no edge inclination. Instead of that, they provide the condition for us, that is longest side is 10 mm and the other end is 35 mm above HP. This is the condition provided for us. And one more condition is longest side 100 mm long is in VP. This is the one more condition. So first step, we need to draw the XY plane and give the name X and Y. So now we need to see in the question the surface inclination is given or not. So here the surface inclination is given. The surface inclination is with VP only they given for us. So if the plane is inclined to VP means we can get the true shape in the VP only, because if the plane is inclined to VP, the first initial step is we need to do parallel to VP. The plane is parallel to VP. If the plane is parallel to VP means, see here, the plane is parallel to VP, we can project it, it will be fall on the VP plane only. Then we can get the true shape in the VP plane only. So we can able to visualize it only in the front view. If I can able to visualize it in the front view means it is above the XY plane. We can get the diagram above the XY plane. So first we need to see the surface inclination. Here the surface inclination is inclined to VP. So the first initial step is you can draw the plane parallel to VP. If you draw the plane parallel to VP means we can get the projection in the VP and you can get the true shape in the in front view. So first we can draw the 100 mm line because the condition is in VP. The first condition is longest side 100 mm is in VP. Then you can draw, use your protractor, draw a 30-degree and 60-degree line, and the intersecting point we can get the point and give the name as A dash because we are visualizing the front view. So we can give the name as A dash, B dash, C dash. Then you can project it. You can get the top view as a line and you can give the name as A, B, C. Then now we can project the. So after done the projection, we can go for the second step. The second step, we need to draw the surface inclination in VP. So we can draw the surface inclination for 45-degree with VP for this distance of A to C and give the name A, B, and C. After that, do the projection upward and from the side also. Then we can draw the line and give the name as the intersecting point of A dash and A will be A1 dash. Similarly, intersecting point of B dash and B will be B1 dash, and the intersection point of C dash and C will be C1 dash. After giving the name, we need to read the question here because here there is no edge inclination. So your given data for us is longest side is 10 mm and other end is 35 mm above HP. So for 35 mm we need to draw a line from here and make a point A1 dash because we have the longest side. So and we can draw that another line for 10 mm. Then measure the distance of A1 to B1 dash, A1 dash to B1 dash because here the longest side is given. So A1 dash to B1 dash we need to measure it using your compass and make an arc on the 10 mm line and give the point A1 dash and draw it. From next B1 dash to C1 dash you can measure using your compass and put an arc. Similarly, A1 dash to C1 dash we need to measure and put an arc. Then you can use the name as. Then you can do the projections from this side also. and the A1 dash and A intersecting point as A1. Similarly, B1 dash and B1 intersecting point is given as B1, and C1 dash and C intersection point is given as C1. And draw the lines. This is the darkest line, and other lines are must be lighter, and the projection lines are very lighter, guys. So once again, please remember, guys, the first step we need to find the surface inclination is given or not. Here the surface inclination is given. The surface is inclined to VP. So it is inclined to VP mean you can get the true shape is parallel to VP. So first initial position we need to draw the plane parallel to the VP. So we can get the true shape in the VP and you can visualize it in the front view. So you can draw the diagram above the XY plane. The first step is parallel to VP because in the question we have inclined to VP. And the second step, according to the question, the surface inclination is 45° inclined to VP. We can draw it. So please remember this distance and this distance will be same. After drawing that, we need to project it and mark the points. After doing that, we can read the question. In the question, there is no edge inclination. Instead of that, they provide the condition as longest side is 10 mm and other end is 35 mm above HP. So for the longest side they are given. So for that, first we need to draw a 35 mm line and mark a point as A1 dash, and next we can draw the 10 mm line. After drawing the 10 mm line, you can measure the distance of A1 dash to B1 dash because in the question they provide the longest distance only. That's why we're measuring the distance of A1 dash to B1 dash. From the A1 dash, make an arc on the 10 mm line and mark it as B1 dash. After that, you can measure the B1 dash and C1 dash using your compass and mark from here B1 dash to C1 dash, put an arc and measure the distance of A1 dash to C1 dash. From the A1 dash, put an arc, intersection point, you can give the name as C1 dash. Now you can project in the downwards, and from this side, after do the projection, you can mark it as A and A1 dash intersecting point as A1 and B and B1 dash intersecting point as B1 and C and C1 dash intersecting point as C1. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you.